Welcome to Italy!
Hey guys, in today's vlog, we will be continuing our journey from America to Rome, Italy. We will share with you the best places to visit and how to efficiently go around this historic city of Rome. So without further ado, let's get into it. Welcome to Rome. We just arrived in the airport. We're just picking up our, is that the bus?
Roma Pass. We can use it for hop on and hop off and for the tickets in museums and coliseums and Vatican City and all that stuff. I pre-booked it in advance.
After exiting immigration, you can head down straight to Information Center to get the Roma Pass, which will give you unlimited access to transportations and entry to some of the iconic places around the city.
So now we're looking for a way to the Fiumicino Airport, where we're going to take the bus or the train going to Roma Termini. And our accommodation is about 400 meters away from Roma Termini. It's just one public transportation away.
From Fiumicino Airport to Rome, you still have to purchase a separate ticket because the Roma Pass only works within the city, and the travel is roughly 30 minutes via train or taxi.
Hey, we've got our ticket to Roma Termini. What's your ticket?
Is it leaving?
It says 4 minutes.
After arriving to Roma Termini, it's now time to find our accommodation, which is only 5 to 10 minutes walk. And by the way, Roma Termini is the biggest station in Rome and one of the largest throughout the Europe, consisting of about 31 platforms. Transfer between platform is pretty straightforward and only takes roughly 2 minutes.
Reyes Vanessa Christine.
Yeah. Si. Merci beaucoup.
We're just checking in now, and this is Nicola. Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Where is that?
Is an abbazia. It's a kind of church, but not in Rome.
Very
From
nice.
Rome, an hour and a half.
Oh, she's
by
got a
car.
beautiful dress.
The room is not ready yet. You booked the suite. Anyway, you can leave your bags with me.
Yeah.
Now I escort you in the breakfast room if you want to take a coffee, something.
great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Now we are going to take a coffee.
They've offered us to have a breakfast while waiting for our room to be ready. Anyways,
Actually, we arrived really early because it's only 11 o'clock now. And the check-in time is 2 o'clock.
yeah.
But they're very nice to accommodate us, which is great.
Yeah. They've offered us breakfast, and coffee is very nice. I haven't had a nice coffee in a while since we left Australia. Our first half an hour here in Rome since arriving. People are very accommodating.
Very accommodating, very
It's like
welcoming.
welcoming, yeah, that's the word.
We got the 5th floor, the top floor.
Yeah.
Hold on, take 2. There you go. First up, there's a small couch in here that you can welcome your guest. The bathroom. Oh, look, come. That's for him and that's for me.
You mentioned dog poop
This
in
is
there.
no, this is for you and this is for me. And then they have a beautiful shower room. Very nice and clean. Lovely sleepers. Oof. Beautiful bed, nice and soft. Let's go outside.
After settling down, it's now time to go to our first stop, which is the Rome Coliseum. We're just outside the Coliseum now. Shortly we'll be going inside to have a tour, so come and join us.
Perks of having a ticket. you don't have much queue.
Guided tours is also available in different dialects, which is very handy for tourists. After the tour to the Colosseum, we decided to stroll around the city a bit before calling it a day. And tomorrow's next stop is Vatican City, the smallest country in the world and is situated within the region of Rome. We woke up really early, had our coffee, quick breakfast. Now we're on our way to Vatican, have our VIP access.
We're gonna go there before they start opening. Morning rush.
Yeah.
Doves everywhere. Normally this is the queue area. We didn't purchase the VIP ticket. We have to queue up. So they open at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
But we're going there at 7:30. We upgraded our tickets to VIP Prime Pass so we can skip the long queue and get to admire the museum before they even open to the general public. This pass also includes free breakfast after the guided tour. Even though the guide will be far away, we can still hear her. So now it's on. I think you'll just, oh, it's sticking to my ear. Normally this one costs 17 euros, the entrance to Vatican, but because we purchased the VIP ticket, we have to pay extra 46 euros. But that one includes breakfast and early access to the Vatican before they start to the public.
Yeah. Do you know how long the
tour?
Yeah.
Probably about an hour and a half.
An hour and a half?
Yeah.
That should be enough. Yeah. How was the experience?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
I learned a lot of things actually.
Yeah. Anyways, we're just about to finish the tour. We'll be on our way to have our breakfast.
This is very important coupon. Very important piece of paper.
I think I'm about to pass out. Within the museum, you can also find the famous carriages used by the Bishop of Rome and the spiral or snail staircase. This is where we can see the different types or different mode of transportation that the Pope has used through the years. There are many more attractions to visit within Rome and Vatican City, such as the Basilica, Spanish Steps, Pantheon, Castel Sant'Angelo, and Trevi Fountain.
There is a myth about throwing coins at the Trevi Fountain. You throw the first coin, it means that you're wishing to come back to Rome. The second coin is you'll find true love. And then the third coin is you'll be back in Rome, find true love, and marry.
And earlier you threw one coin.
Yeah. Because I just want to come back to Rome someday again. Because I already found my true love. And I already married.
The good news is most of these places are close to one another. Either you can walk or take a short bus or train ride. After enjoying the city of Rome, it's now time to depart to our next destination, Venice, the city of canals. And if you haven't seen yet, click the link and join us with our adventure. This is our last day here at Rome.
We're meant to go to Venice, and we're late about 5 minutes, and we missed our train. That's a business class train.
We got that under promotion. It only cost us like 50 euros each.
And now we have to repurchase another ticket. Cost us 92 euros for the second class. That's life.
Man. So sorry. I think it's my fault. It took me a lot of time to be in the toilet. It sounds funny, but I'm really frustrated.
It's okay.
Anyways, that is life. But see you guys in Venice.
Ciao.
Ciao.